Aglaonema is an evergreen plant. They tolerate low light conditions better than most of the plant, and Aglaonema has got many varieties with beautiful colors, and it is easy to grow from stem cuttings. So friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Johnson England. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I will share how to grow Aglaonema plant from stem cuttings in easy and simple way. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So this is Aglaonema pink and it is easy to grow from stem. So first step, we need to choose the healthy stem to grow from cuttings. So this one we can take, you can check here, it has got 2 stems. Take 1 stem using a sharp cutter cuttings like this. So now you can check here, it is healthy enough to grow well. So next step, we need to remove some extra leaves. So I'll remove extra leaves from the bottom. So friends, now it is ready to grow. So next we need a root hormone to grow. So root hormone will help to prevent from fungus and establish the roots faster, and it will keep the roots healthy. You can check here. So if you use root hormone, it will give 99% of chance to grow well. So this is the soil mix I'm going to use. It's a well drained soil mix. So I've used here coco peat, normal garden soil, and I have used river sand for well drained, and I've got a little bit of vermicompost as a fertilizer. So just I made hole using my finger so that the root hormone will not remove from the cuttings. Okay, now it is ready. So it will take 30 to 35 days to establish the roots, and after planting this, we need to place this in semi-shaded area. Do not bring to the direct sunlight because Aglaonema is an indoor plant. And about watering, do not give lots of water, just 2 to 3 times a week of water. That is enough for Aglaonema plant. So friends, I'll check this after 35 days. Hello everyone, this is day 35 and I'm very excited to see this beautiful plant roots. Just I'll take it from the pot. So friends, just check the healthy roots and I'm very happy to see the successful cuttings I did, and now it is going to grow well. So this is the easiest way to grow Aglaonema plant from stem cuttings. So if you want to grow Aglaonema plant in your home, you can use this process to get 100% successful. I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then friends, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.